this video, we're working on my Mark II again. I have the downpipe, I have the gaskets to put it on, and then I have the exhaust with the MagnaFlow muffler, which I've had on a previous Mark III 12 valve, and it sounded really good, so I'm really stoked on that. I have the gas lines so we can hook those up. Hopefully we get all that done. It is freezing outside. It's snowing. I don't know if you guys can see that, so I'm gonna try to hurry, put this stuff on, and then call it a night. Okay, fuel lines are in. Took a little while. I eventually ended up using some WD-40 to get them on without breaking the lines, and it was a lot easier. That clear one is just like a breather hose, and I need to do some more research. I think I'm just gonna delete that. I think it'll be fine. But yeah, so gas line's on, gonna move on to the exhaust. So this is the downpipe I'll be using for the 24 valve. And then this is the exhaust that I picked up. I'm gonna be cutting the cat off because I don't have emissions where I live. And the muffler is a MagnaFlow and should sound pretty good. I just unbolted them and then I dropped the rear axle down and I was able to get the exhaust in over the axle. And now I can get my downpipe and I can mock up to see how long I need the extension. Okay, it's really cold here. I can't feel my toes right now. We got the exhaust on. I got it over the rear axle. I just dropped it down, right over it. It's mocked up underneath. Hopefully I'll finish that up tomorrow. Gas lines are on, I'm stoked on that. My harness is being built right now. I found a local guy. He is making it for me, so I'm stoked on that. Should be done in about a week. It is 25 degrees out right now. It's getting down to 16 tonight, so I am done for the night. Hopefully finish the exhaust up tomorrow, like I already said. Thank you for all the support I've been receiving on all the videos. I'm so stoked. Should have another Corrado one coming out in a couple days. It's just so cold though, so, and I don't have any insulation. I know Chad doesn't have any insulation in his shop either, so we're just kind of waiting for the little bit warmer weather. Like the high today was like 30, so it's 16 tonight. So I just want to say thank you for watching my videos. Please like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next video.